Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Mahabur Rahman Rajiv, Advocacy and Liaison Officer, NGO Forum for Public Health. And today our guest is.
Hello, I am Mohammad Nabil Ahmed, currently student in Masters in Environmental Science and Management 2021 and from Bangladesh University of Professionals. Let's talk about our discussion.
Thank you. Today we will discuss about wetlands. So at first I want to know, so what is wetlands? Can you please explain it?
Okay. In the general definition of wetlands, generally the lands that remain under waterlogged or inundated for most of the time of the year, it is called wetlands. In other sense, wetlands are low-lying ecosystem or land transitional between terrestrial and the aquatic system, where underground water table is always at or near the surface of the land cover. In the definition of RASPA conversion, the wetland is defined as the marsh, fen, bogs, swamps, peatlands, whether permanent or temporarily water remains in static condition or flowing condition, may be fresh, blackish or salty water in characteristics which may be created naturally or artificially.
Okay. Thank you. As we know, geographically, wetland can be vary country by country. Can you please classify wetlands according to Bangladesh?
Okay. If you classify the wetlands, it is counted that the total area of the wetlands in Bangladesh is about the 50% of the total terrestrial lands.
Yes.
There are three types of wetlands found in our country. The first one is saltwater wetlands, which includes marine, estuarine, and lagoons wetlands. And the second is freshwater wetlands, that includes riverine wetlands, lacustrine wetlands, palustrine wetlands, which indicates haor, baor, bill, gills, etc. And the third one is the man-made wetlands, which is described as the aquaculture pond, irrigated land or irrigation channel, hydro dam like Kaptai Lake, etc.
Okay, excellent. As you say earlier, wetlands mainly maintaining our ecosystem. So now this time I want to know the function, the services, and the importance of wetland regarding our ecosystem.
Nice question. We can describe the functions, services, or the importance of wetlands regarding ecosystem. Uh, so, if we elaborately describe the functions, the main functions is that the wetlands influence groundwater recharge or discharge because it is an essential component of the water cycle that makes the link between the surface and groundwater. Okay, in other words, wetlands improve the water quality through mechanical, physical, biological, physiochemical, or biochemical process. Wetlands perform cleansing function by acting like a filter to remove the sediment, algal bloom, or absorb nutrient and biologically active chemicals. It reduces flood damage. Wetlands control carbon dioxide emission by into the atmosphere by retaining the carbon into the soil of peat wetland. Thus, this contribute to the climate regulation. Again, wetlands have the capacity to retain heavy rainfall, surface water, or flood water. Moreover, vegetation in wetlands along the shoreline of the river, streams, or lakes reduce erosion of soil. Wetlands provide food, shelter, breeding, and rest places for plants, mammals, birds, fish, uh, including threatened or endangered species. Wetlands are popular places for non-consumptive recreation such as photography, sketching, bird watching,
Tourism, it
hiking.
can be also tourism.
Also, it is a very
Thank you, Mr. Nabil, for sharing. Now, I think we should be discussed about the biodiversity in large context or extent. So, can you please share or explain about the diversity in brief?
Okay, thank you for your question. Let's talk about the biodiversity. Wetlands enhance and restore biodiversity in large extent. If we consider there are two types of biodiversity are found in wetlands. First one is floral diversity and the faunal diversity.
Okay.
The wetland plants have been contributing substantially to the livelihood of the millions of rural people as a source of food, fuel, fodder, manure, and so on. The variety of microphytes are eaten as vegetables and some are eaten as raw. Okay, let's talk about the fauna diversity. Bangladesh is rich in fauna. Different types of birds, amphibia, such as frogs, mammals like jackals, cats, otters, etc., and the aquatic mammals are found in different areas of Bangladesh.
Okay, so we talk about the definition of wetlands and the importance, services, and many causes. So I think we should be talk about the benefits of wetlands. So what are the benefits of wetlands?
Okay, there are two types of benefits are considered regarding wetlands. The first one is social benefits and the economic benefits. Uh, the social benefits includes the support us by food, shelter, and other things of different species. The economic benefits, as those are considered as the attraction of tourism places by creating the market value of fish cultivation or the crop cultivation. Thus, it contributes to the economic development.
Okay, so thank you. As we know, wetland is totally correlated with the climate change or geographic position. So
Yes,
can
of
you
course.
please discuss about the cause of wetland degradation?
Okay. Though the certain natural causes fact, however, sometimes the process of degradation of wetlands are accelerated by human intervention. The main causes are the hydrological alteration, such as the diversion of flow, the stream channelization for navigation system, dredging, damaging, or the development of drainage system. This can also damage the water wetlands. Okay, the another reason is the pollution inputs from runoff, uh, oil and landfill dumps, burning oil from boats, and pollution from the factories and power plants. The another cause vegetation damage by grazing and by domestic animals, introduction of non-native plants. The main cause is the enhancement of agricultural productivity, overfilling of wetlands, overgrazing of livestock, overfishing and associated disturbance.
So what is the impact of wetland degradation? As you
The
mentioned so many causes, so what is the impact?
Okay, in respect of Bangladesh, there are many impacts because of wetland degradation. Though it is not concerned about the authority, proper authority, but we need to emphasis on that. Let's talk about the impact of wetlands degradation. The process of loss and degradation reduce the ability of wetlands to provide goods and services for mankind to support biodiversity. Even all the impacts are associated with the economic cost, and with the reduction of this opportunity for sustainable economic development, the impacts are considered as more than the other facts.
So we discuss about the definitions, classification, and the impact of wetland in our ecosystems. And at the same time, we discuss about the diversity, benefits of wetland, and there are you mentioned some causes of degradations and the impact of degradation. So this time, I want to know the what necessary we should be taken to conserve wetlands in Bangladesh.
Okay, basically all of us, including the government of Bangladesh, NGOs, non-NGOs, and the local public, have to be concerned about this wetlands degradation. Uh, though we are not clear about the wetlands in Bangladesh, we basically practice uh, overgrazing, overfishing to degrade wetlands. So, action needs to be taken about the conservation of wetlands in Bangladesh. We have to promote the ecotourism. We must ensure ecotourism for our childhood memories.
It will also help to
It is-
improve our
Yes.
financial
Yes.
issues.
The planning strategies and monitoring for the development of wetland areas of Bangladesh may be evolved keeping in the view of nation needs, priorities for their conservation of the development. The mass media should come forward for disseminating information and concern about the wetlands by highlighting their values and importance. The last but not the least point is that the existing legislation related to the wetlands which are compatible with the national environmental policy has to be strictly followed.
Uh, Thank you, Mr. Nabil, for joining this discussion, and thank you. Special thanks to our viewers for watching this fruitful and informative discussion based on the wetlands. Thanks again.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rajiv, for helping me regarding the wetlands, details of wetlands, and thank you, the viewers. Please forgive me if we did anything wrong, and thank you.